Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. This morning, I'm going to feature stock number 7737. It's a Forest River Cherokee Gray Wolf Limited 29BH. Folks, this is the unit. This will sleep up to 10 people, weighs less than 6,300 pounds, makes your life easy. Electric front jack, electric stabilizer jacks, electric awning, outside kitchen, pass-through storage, you name it, this has got it. Walkable roof, aerodynamic, lighted for the times you pull in a little late. Water heaters, gas electric, it's quick recovery. You don't have to come out and light it, Dad. Plenty of cargo carrying capacity. Plenty of outside storage. Outside shower right at your dump station. Electric, water fills. The wonderful Forest River Cherokee rear carrying capacity. Place to put your coolers, your water, your firewood, your gas grill, your bikes. You're able to hook up an outside backup camera to this unit. Now this is your outside kitchen. So you've got your electric refrigerator. You got your gas grill, mounts right here below your additional water, hot and cold outside water. Easy lube axles, another saver. Here's another cool saver, 60, that's 60, 50. When that gets below 50 pounds of pressure, it'll turn red. That way you know you need to get some air. Safety, ease of towing. Mount your TV outside between your speakers. Big grab handle, helps us old folks in and out. Beautiful flooring this year from Forest River. Very comfortable jackknife. Very usable U-shaped dinette. Folks, there's more storage. It's just unbelievable. 40-inch deep drawers on both sides. Storage cabinet outside the bunk room. 4 bunks. Extra storage. TV mount, beautiful clean lines. Look at the size of the bunks on the passenger side. More storage at the back. Foot flush stool, all enclosed. Fantastic fan. That'll move a lot of air, folks. Tub shower. And even the tall dad and mom can fit in there without a problem. Beautiful faux rock for the TV. Absolutely a ton of counter space. Forest River's new glass top, plexiglass top, non-breakable glass top. Big country sink. Mowing style pull-out sprayer. Ducted air conditioner with the AC dump right in the kitchen. Solid doors going into the master bedroom. AM FM stereo. DVD, CD. Not just shirt closets, but coat closets with lights on both sides, electric on both sides. Folks, you'll like doing business here at Paul Sherry RVs. Give us a call or email us today.